Hello to all my fellow viewers and my wonderful listeners, and to all the people that are just coming inside this channel. This is Ultimate Tips for YouTubers with your host Lulra. In this channel, we used to update you on tips and tools on how to grow your YouTube channel. We're also working on a course on how to use the Adobe Premiere, that is the Adobe Premiere editing software. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use the transition effects on the Adobe Premiere. So I'm gonna strictly use the transition that are on the software. I'm not gonna use third-party plugins or third-party effects. I'm just gonna show you on how to use the transition that are on the software, Adobe Premiere software, on the transition column to help you stylish your footages. When there is a gap or when there is a cut between your footages, how to stylish your footages with some of the transition that are on the software. So on this video, I'm gonna go straight to the PC and show you how to use some of these effects. There are effects called the cross dissolve. There are effects called the zoom, cross zoom. There are effects that are called the deep black. All these effects are effects that you use in between your footages, between your cuts, so make your videos look proper and make it look more stylish before you post it for production. So in this video, you are gonna learn, and I'm gonna show you where these transitions are on the software, so that anytime that you search for a transition, you can go to this site on the software and check for the transition that you wanna use on your video. So let's go straight to the PC. I will show you on how to lay a transition on the cuts on your video. Yeah. I'm gonna show you on the Adobe Premiere on how to use the transition. I'm gonna take an example on this video clip. This video clip is Mad Dot versus this guy Stepper and Mad Dot on this video. So I'm gonna show you on some transition that we are gonna be using on this video. So the first transition we are gonna be showing you is called the BAM DOS. The BAM DOS transition. So I'm gonna take it off. So first of all, let me play you the clip. This is the clip. See? This video was shot by KBJ, one of my partner, my workmate here. So on the video, we are gonna first show you on how to add a transition. On the beginning of the video, there are popular transitions that you see on a video. When the video is starting, you see a transition called the BAM DOS that used to open the video or close it. So I'm gonna search for that. You just come here, transition, audio effects here. You come here on effect. Sorry for that. Close this. You come on effects here. If you come on effects, that is the effects here. You say BARM, BAM DOS. That is the effect there. You see, that's the effect. When you take it, this is the way to add an effect on a video. You see. Now let me play the effect and you see what it is gonna bring. You see. You see that. You see that. You see, that is, let me come before the effect. Let me take the effect out. Before the effect, this, you see. Then after the effect, let me add the effect. You see, when you add the transition, after adding the transition, see, I'm sorry, it's still giving me a problem. I don't know. Now check. You see the transition. So that is called the BAM DOS transition. So we can also check out another transition called the cross dissolve. Cross dissolve is one of the most popular transitions that they used to add on videos, but I don't like it nowadays because this is called cross dissolve. You see the transition? You see the transition? You see? You see the transition? That is the cross dissolve. There is another transition also when you come here, deep black and the deep white. It's another transition that editors usually use. Let me use the deep black first. Now let me play you the deep black transition. You see that? You see that? You see that? Deep black? That is called deep black. Let's go to deep white. The deep white transition. Deep to white. Deep to white transition and the deep to black transition. You see that? You see that? The deep to white. You see? Yeah. That is the transition. So it's a simple video. This is how to add a transition on the Adobe Premiere. This is just a simple step, simple tutorial, you know, just to teach you on how to add transition and stylish your video. And I'm gonna work on some other transition that we are gonna go in, maybe like when we go in the middle stage of how to edit. I'm gonna download some third-party transition that are the overlays, the light leaks. There are so many transitions that they used to add. Those are the third parties that I'm gonna add here, but it's different from the way I'm adding this transition here. This transition I add between the footages, but this third-party transition that I'm gonna be talking about later in the future, I'm gonna do a special video on that. These are transitions that you download, then you add them on top of the layer here. Then you go and use the blind mode here to change the normal to scream and darkness, color dodge and stuff like that. So we're gonna work on that, but this is the simplest way to put a transition. As you can see, you see, cross dissolve, deep black, deep white. Yeah. That was a video on how to add a transition. Thank you. If you really like the video, you can just hit the subscribe button and watch out for more videos that I'm going to be uploading on this channel. So on the next video, we are going to talk about color grading. I'm going to come out with the same video and teach you on how to do a color grading with this video using the 3-way color correction. Till next time, I come your way. This is Lura, the Ultimate Boss. Let me close this and stop. Yeah, to all the people that have just watched that video, if that video is really educative to you and interesting, you can still hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and watch out for more videos on the Adobe Premiere. We are going to bring you more videos on how to use the Adobe Premiere to make it easier for you to edit and cut and post your videos online and help you also grow on the Adobe Premiere learning skills. So thank you. This is Lura. Until next time I come your way. This is your ultimate YouTuber out the way from Gambia, the West Africa.